What's up, y'all? My name is Alex. I'm from Texas, and I'm 26 years old. Just got the spray foam on my head. Gonna hold this for 30 minutes. Takes care of all the bacteria, infections, anything that potentially, be going wrong. So you just want to make sure that you have this in your head for 30 minutes. Then you're gonna go wash it out. So that's where we at right now. Just finished waiting 30 minutes with the spray foam on my head. Had some snacks, water, drinks. This place is really cool. They take care of you here better than any place I've really seen. I mean, look at this place. It's amazing. So about to go get it washed off now, and I'll catch y'all later. So yo, I've been thinking about getting this done for the last year and a half now, man. It's been something I've been procrastinating, putting off until one day about, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago, I seen somebody on TikTok, how they were talking about their story and their journey with a hair transplant procedure. And I was just like, man, the results were amazing. It was like, where did they go? Right, and back a year ago when I was looking at it, I saw some other places, but I wasn't really like sold on them, right? But the guy that had posted about his experience here in Turkey, he came to Hair of Istanbul, and when I saw his results and I saw his experience, and he was talking about the whole experience that he got while he was here, I was sold on it, and I had to go vet them myself. And at that point, I did my research on Hair of Istanbul and all the other spots in Turkey, and this by far was the #1 hair transplant place in Turkey, I think. Just with everything, since I've been here, it's been absolutely amazing. I mean, from the day I got here, getting in it actually, we can even start before that. Even my first time reaching out to them, it was just always very professional and efficient communication from the WhatsApp messages to communicating about the pricing, graphs, everything like that, how they do things, getting to the airport, picking me up at the airport, taking me to the hotel, taking me to the procedure, taking me to this, clinic here, everywhere. It's just always been amazing hospitality. And I can't say anything better than, than what I can't even express, honestly, I'm at a loss for words for how great this place is. I mean, just look at this place that we're in right now. It's freaking amazing. I mean, this is like a futuristic just place. And this wasn't even the place we got the procedure done. So just overall, 10 out of 10, the hospitality, everything, the professionalism, everything. It was 100% worth the money. I mean, it's an investment in yourself, and ultimately, I think there's no better place to go if you are considering getting a hair transplant anywhere in the world. This is the place that you gotta go. Yeah, and for me, my hairline, I mean, I started losing it a couple years ago. I'm 26 right now, and I probably started losing my hair at about 24 years old. But I've always had genetics that had my line kind of pushed back a little bit from the get-go. So something I've already was kind of looking at. I didn't know this existed, but at the time when I saw that it existed, I said, oh, I could potentially bring my line down in the future and get my temples kind of pushed out a little further. So that was my biggest thing coming here, was would they be able to give me the line that I wanted, right? Would they be able to give me ultimately what I am seeking, right? Because for me, I really wanted to get a further frontal and then also get the temples done. So because they were able to do that, that made me very just very pleased overall with the result that I've got today. And I'm excited just for the next few months to kind of see the journey and how things are going to progress over the next few months. And ultimately, I think if you're someone, especially if you're black, honestly, if you're a black person, this is the place to come, because they help you make a good decision about where your line will be, where it should be, where it'll look naturally, and where and also help you get it with where you want it to go. So yeah, that was kind of how I decided as far as my hairline goes. But ultimately, they do help you make that decision. You can always be more aggressive, but ultimately, they're gonna help you and give you that guidance as well. So overall, great experience with it though.